the star makers.
Movement.
Life-giving lithium microcells. Powerful nickel-cadmium batteries. Energy converters and distributors. Power systems. Household and industrial batteries. Solar modules. Saft, #1 in the electrochemical and energy conversion industry, is present wherever there's anything that beats or that turns or can be driven or is airborne or seagoing. In the sky, from day to day, the major airlines count on the world's biggest supplier of aircraft batteries. While dozens of satellites carrying space batteries that go on working for 10 years tirelessly orbit the Earth. At sea, men are able to live and work because their heated suits, their vehicles, their lamps and their cameras are fitted with totally reliable products. And all around us, in heavy industry or in microprocessing, in the braking system of the high-speed train or in a toy, in hospitals or in banks, Saft energy conversion systems guarantee complete freedom with safety.
Meanwhile, a machine 30 meters long works day and night to deposit 4 microns of nickel on a long strip of steel. Not far away, a computer directs laser welding used in the manufacture of lithium button cells. On 4 continents, 30 specialized factories produce daily, here, thermal batteries which can function between -40 degrees centigrade and +70 degrees centigrade. There, batteries which will be used on the new Boeing 767. And elsewhere, special advanced battery systems for missiles, torpedoes or rocket launchers. All over the world, nearly 8,000 employees daily play their part in justifying Saft's established reputation for quality. Right along the line, at each station, a continuous automatic control ensures that quality is maintained in each component. From dimensional checks to mechanical and electrical tests, Saft's quality control detects the slightest defect and rejects the items for the smallest imperfection. At the end of the line, the entire production is put through electronic testing, and the results are read visually, printed out, and fully recorded. And hundreds of tiny lights flash continuously during the final tests of the cells. Relentlessly pursuing its industrial development, Saft, with its subsidiaries, forms a group of international standing, with a strong presence in all the major markets. Light.
With night comes fear. With darkness lurks panic. Having light when and where you want it means never being taken by surprise, being prepared, having your own independent energy. When it's a question of life and death, when there's some presence or danger or hope, when things have to keep on going through the night. Lighting for the home or industrial lighting. For protecting property and people. For signs and communication. In towns and in remote locations. Everywhere, Saft is lighting people's lives.
Meanwhile, in Abidjan, an engineer hooks up the remote power supply for the subsea cable Fraternity, linking the Ivory Coast and Nigeria. On every continent, in 100 countries, you'll find subsidiaries and branches, each with the same competence, the same responsibility, and the same dedication to the end user. In a fast-growing worldwide market, Saft is in a very strong position, with high-performance products supported by top-grade personnel and up-to-date facilities. Time and imagination.
From Victor Herold, who founded Saft in 1918, to the spaceships of today. From the first Leclanché battery to the new alternative energy sources. Saft, by tradition, by character, by determination, has always played an active part in developing new technology. In the age of television and computers, supplying power to transmission networks, keeping electronic memories alive, Saft is already committed to tomorrow's communication systems. Today, this spirit of research, this determination to innovate, has made Saft an international group, providing the answers in every branch of high technology.
Meanwhile, at Marcoussis, In the CGE Research Center, scientists, chemists, and electronics experts are mapping out the future under their electronic microscopes, their spectrometers, and their laser devices. Here in a scientific atmosphere, they come into daily contact with their counterparts within the group, and knowledge is pooled for mutual benefit. Handling delicate materials with infinite care, using the most advanced instrumentation, these magicians go on searching for ways of harnessing energy. And while here they are creating the future,
a small child in a village in the third world sits wide-eyed in front of a sun-powered television set. Saft, the leader in electrochemistry.